troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past.
Welcome back to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. I really don't count this as trouble. This is fun. I found out that Xinia from Adventures with Xinia was doing little mystery bags, and I had to jump on it. I have ordered every single one of her little glitter shades, or not glitter shades. She does multi-chrome gel shades. I have ordered every single one that I've seen her put out. I will swatch those for you, but I knew that there'd be some in this little mystery bag. I had to get it. So I got me a little card. This is Tishy, because she calls me Tishy, her favorite dishy. I wish that my nicknames were so nice growing up. Okay. It says, thank you. I'm pretty sure I have some of these too. To Tishy, thank you for purchasing the mystery bag. I hope you like it. Love, Xinia. And it has a $42 value, and I only paid $25 for it. Oh, my allergies are kicking my butt. Alright, so to start off with, she said that everything in this was going to be handmade, which means she made everything. And the first thing I am pulling out is a headband ear warmer. Now, during the summer, I can use it as just a headband, but during the winter, it will cover my ears, which is great. And it's Washington, so she said she made sure it was thin and not thick, so I didn't, overheat during the winter, which is correct. In the mountains, there's like lots of snow and stuff, but I live in the city. We don't get a lot of snow. It gets a little bit chilly, but yeah, it's not cold, so this is perfect, absolutely perfect. So she did personalize this as well as hand make everything, so that makes me excited. I have been having a hard time with holiday stuff. Kind of needed a boost. I love these, and I needed ornaments for my tree. We bought a bigger tree because we have fake trees, but we bought a bigger tree, and the ornaments that we had for the small tree kind of look a little sparse on the new tree. So I'm like really excited to get Christmas ornaments. And then there's more exciting stuff. All right. Oh, I think this might be a little extra something. We have a Kvd Tattoo Liner Duo. Whoop! Let me drop it. In Trooper Black. And that is the tip. Oh, and it is a brush tip. I do not like felt tips. I like brush tips. That is perfect. I mean, I only put a little mark on me, but there we go. Alright. So we got Uni with extra glitter gel. Oh, with extra glitter in a gel formula. Got it. Okay. So, this is the original Uni. I will swatch both of them. This one is not a gel formula. Alright, so, camera shut off. Not really sure where it shut off, but I was in the middle of showing the Uni shade. So this is the original Uni, and this is the new one with the gel formula. And that is what it looks like. Alright. Oops. Don't do that. Stay. Alright. Then, next, we have a Uni Christmas, which is a multi-chrome gel. Oh yeah, I can already tell. This is going to be stunning. You can see the shift in there. Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. She said just a little bit. And I'm over here dipping my whole finger in, because, you know, why not? Oh, this is the one I told her she should have named Boy George, because it's red, gold, and green. Oh. So pretty. And these all dry down. So pretty. Alright, so before I swatch these other ones, just wanted to show you. This is Uni 2.0. I'm going to swatch that. Oh. Whoop. Look at that. So that one is a slightly peach. Then I got Galactic Horn, which is a more of a purpley . And this is perfect for a highlighter. Okay, you gotta focus. There's a purple shift to it. And then we have the Merkhorn, which has more of a blue shift to it. And I'm pretty sure I just put way too much of that on my finger there. Look at that blue shiftiness. Alright, now we have Uni Glow, which is a pink iridescent topper or highlighter. And that is what that looks like. I see the pink and the purple shift. Not purple, but like a lavender. So that is a thick coating of that. And then if you'd like to thin it out, that is what it ends up looking like. Alright. And then put that away real quick. Oh, that has a label on it. I got another mercorn. Again, that's what that looks like. I wonder if this is a different formula than the other one. Oh, no, you don't need a bunch. Just a little. A dabble do ya. Oh, yeah. You didn't need that much. Yeah, I didn't need that much. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get just the tiniest bit of that. Can't be dipping my fingers in there because that obviously, I got hammy little fingers, so it doesn't work out so well. Anyways, that is the mystery box that Xinia put together for me. I loved this. In fact, I want another one. just for the ornaments. That's great. I loved the little ornaments. I got a little gnome and a little reindeer. It's just cute. That's just too cute. I'm gonna go put these on my tree. Anyways, thank you, Xinia, for making such an amazing mystery bag. I am so, like, this, like, really made my day. Brightened my mood quite a bit. And, I really needed that. So, anyways, I'm going to list Xinia below. Her channel is Adventures of Xinia. And go check her out. Go show her some love. Go follow her on Instagram. That's where she will post all of her little shades that she makes and any mystery bags that she has. You're not going to regret that. So anyways, go show her some love. Go follow her. Whatever you need to do to get your hands on some of these shades, do it. You'll not regret it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff's listed below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat.